Delta Ultra Early 34296, Data 7621. 800 feet. Time 1710. Trailer 7621. 1710, so in the event of a lost com, expect further at 1740, and let me know when you're in the block at the 15,000, please. Check 300 West 13. Kennedy 23 out of flight level 300 for 290, requesting direct to Upala.
7621 St. John's Tower, line up runway 34.
23 and descend to 6,000 feet for now, sir. 6,000 direct to Upala, Air Canada. 23, that's correct.
Lima Foxtrot, medevac ground Megadeka to Bluffalo Airport via St. John's 5 departure flight plan route. Depart runway 34, squawk 7261.
61.
Lima Foxtrot, medevac ground, lead back right. Foxtrot, medevac ground, runway 34, wind 290, 12 southing 17, altimeter 299.6, information alpha, taxi southbound on the apron at your discretion, hold short up traffic.
Southbound, hold short traffic.
I think hold the back goal is 9. Right, well you can turn left at your discretion to pick up Victor 315. 621. Just extend the time for you. Check your canceling IFR at this time. And I'll give you a point out once you're into the course.
Okay, so Charlie and what's the number? 666.
They're trying to stagger around in 112 Alpha 9, good day.
Alright, we're still on there, we need to cover that one.
Yeah, well, that's everything. Detective via Charlie, I'll leave for your discretion. Foxtrot, medevac, the address maintenance for SES stop area intersection at 2934, may see them flash, disregard that. Contact the other center 133.415 airborne, wind 30013, crypto way 34, have a plan.
34, thanks.
Section 011, amend your altitude down to 1,3000. Elevate tonight.
601, yes.
16 cross 02 and a left turn at Charlie.
13000, 670.
Roger. 621, continue climb 12000. Roger. We're going to see when you turn base first, you got Cougar traffic, Sikorsky helicopter traffic, currently about 10 miles southeast of the airport, getting down at 1,500 feet VFR. Seven 621, you got traffic now at your 11 o'clock position, 4 miles opposite direction plan.
011, you can turn left 5 degrees centers for visual approach, runway 24. 5 degrees, Dimension 411, you can descend to 3,000, 290.
32 taxi via Delta, across runway 02 Foxtrot, is 1 underground 121.9, every day. 3.
Cleared St. John's Airport, RNAV 034 via outside. Air Canada 692, Roger. Security 77 plus 1 ground negative, hold your position, departing traffic 34. Contact Anderson on departure 133.15, wind 350, tank gusting 17, clear takeoff runway 34 today.
350, clear for takeoff 34, have a good day, 127.
Where's Romeo again? Romeo.
415, Romeo Foxtrot, Foxtrot. The 553, Anderson, and we go 15. Clear to go out. Final 12,000. 553. Right out clear, Delta Mr. John, 2996. Roger, you can start active stretching and contact Anderson on departure 133.15, 0060 clear takeoff runway 34 connect. Copy in the air, rolling, clear to 621. 43, we're ready for the push. And 143, ground launcher push back and start at your discretion. 55 discretion, connecting at 146. And ground 6903 Cougar 33 Gander, cleared on departure Boeing 767 to wind 07017. Contact Gander Center on departure 133.15. Clear takeoff runway at 34 connect. Airborne 6 takeoff 34 connect with 55 quarter. Cougar 1, John Tower.